Good morning to a possible sunny day. Maybe we'll see. It's trying to get sunny. So what will work? My geraniums are growing, and I think I will separate them. This one has also some of the other seeds. I believe it's chamomile. I made a mistake, and like when I cleaned my hands were there, but it's okay. Snow in summer. Let's see, only one so far. These daisies has not show up. Chamomile, I don't know if you can see. Can you see the chamomile? It's so tiny. So those ones, the seeds are so tiny, and that's the size that is going. My other geraniums also, I will separate them. This didn't show up, and this is actually one. It was a seed from my orange tree, the miniature orange tree, and look at that, it's coming out. So it looks like three. I will see what happened. It was only one seed. But I will separate all these. I need the space. I need to plant the peppers too. I need these to do more mixing of soil. So let's see how we do this. Okay, first thing, I will move this one away, and I will separate these ones. I have these ones that didn't bloom or nothing happened with these, so we will use those ones. Let me get something to separate these little ones. I think I found the right deal. This is one of those for cheese spread, but it's small to do with. Oh, look at the sun. Oh my gosh, let's do this. I got this other one I wanted to try too. Let's cut this. And it's because it was needed for my other seeds, the ones that I got. Then my husband got the chilies, spicy peppers. So this is the burpee. 36 cells, and this comes with it's a self-watering tray. Let's see. Oh, it has a little mat. Let's see all that it comes here. Ooh, and it has a little paddle. I guess it's for signing, and then for grouping, I guess to organize them. So first goes the little tray, then goes the mat. Okay, so the dark side goes actually upside down. I should have put it the other way. If it's that, I kind of, the picture shows upside down, the white down. Self-watering mat. Okay, we'll try. And that way. I think I have one of these before. Then it comes this. And they already have the little, in each one of the cells they have this little, let me see if I can show you. So all that I will do is just put in the right position, all of them. Put a little, I think it's like the old ones that is with hot water, so I will read the instructions. Okay, call for warm water like the old one. Oh, did you move? There. And put just a little in each cell. I hope I will. Oh, look. It's expanding. Maybe I need to put a little more. I don't know how much will expand. Wow. Okay. This one is breaking more than this one. Maybe I need to break this one. Interesting. Oh my gosh, it keeps coming. Okay, let's try with the other ones. Let's do all of them. well, I don't know if it's new, but it's the first time I see self-watering seed starting system, 36 cells, and it comes with the little cells, but in the future I will not use the cell, I will just put my soil. But for now, we will try with these. Maybe I should spray a little water before I put that. And wait to see how it works. This is staying here now. I have these ones that are succulents that I put there, and I just spray water. They're touching the soil. We will see if they work. There are 3 different kinds. The microgreens were going really good. Now they are kind of sad. I don't know if I'm over watering or not, or maybe they just die because it's time to die. We will see what happens with those. Maybe I should cut and just eat them. I can do that. Here we have the chamomile, the painted daisy, and the snow summer, the only one that is growing there, and the painted daisies are coming. Here I have not seen anything. Nothing is growing yet. I don't know if these, I don't know, to be honest. I hope it's not the tray. Maybe the seeds, some of them are a little older and they take a little extra time to germinate. So we have banana peppers, onions, basil, and cilantro. Yes, and I put this tray here because it's a little more heavy to move, so it will be better there. It gets the light. Here we have all the red geraniums separated, my orange tree, and here we have the other geranium. So this is like a pink color. I don't remember the name now. So that is how we will do, and we will be moving from this area that has sun when it gets a little darker to this area. I can do that. Okay, I came with all my bulbs. I don't even know if I have enough pots or soil for this, but I will go to get the pot that I have on my car, and I will do my mixing and everything here. I have one bag. And what are you doing, Frosty? And we will take the let's see, all these. This is too small. These are a little bigger, but we'll do these ones. much I have left now. This is the last spot, and these actually shouldn't be planting but are out of season, but they're coming out. So okay, let's see, maybe they will come. Okay, this is what I will do. These are tulips and they actually need the cold, so I will let them be outside on the cold, and the other ones will be on my little old greenhouse. This will kind of keep the heat a little and protect, but it will have also the right temperature. I hope so. Okay, let's go.